Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This news from the central region: alleged witch bird turns into human after failed operation at Gomoa Mampong. So early days dawn, wonders they say shall never end, as an alleged witch bird turned into human at Gomoa Mampong in the East District in the Central Region. According to the source, about 1 a.m. this dawn, the alleged bird, which fell from an uncompleted building and turned into human being during a prayer by one prophetess, Mary Esther, head pastor of Deeper Church International at Gomoa Mampong branch. Source further revealed that after interrogation, that witch confessed she is from a new Winneba and she was given 50 Ghana to kill one brother, Kwasi, at Gomoa Mampong, but she failed to operate due to the prayer by the prophetess. The case has been reported to Gomoa Okyereko police